Greetings, College of Nursing, class of 2021. It is my pleasure to welcome you to our spring virtual awards ceremony. On behalf of the College of Nursing, congratulations on successfully completing the BSN program, and from all of your outstanding achievements, we applaud each of you. What a year it has been! Dealing with a global pandemic has not only highlighted our perseverance as humans, but it has recognized nursing's dedication to improving the health and wellness all over the world at a time when it is needed the most. You are about to step into the role of healthcare provider at a time when there are still so many unknowns, but I have never been more confident about your abilities to take on this next chapter of your lives. And because of that, it is a true honor to celebrate each and every one of you. By the nature of our profession, nurses must possess inherent flexibility and resilience that is integral to caring for patients in today's healthcare settings. I could not be more impressed with how you have responded to COVID-19, pulled together and worked through many changes with grace, compassion, and dedication. It is a true honor to be part of the Gator Nursing family. Although we have become accustomed to our new normal since the arrival of the novel coronavirus, it certainly does not make it easier when we are unable to gather in person to celebrate milestones such as this one. And it seems that we are finally turning the corner with COVID-19, and we will soon be able to be reunited with family, friends, and a normal capacity compared to the last year. But while we await that day, we want you to know we are proud of the dedication of our students and could not let the opportunity pass by to recognize your achievements. You have demonstrated proficiency, knowledge, and passion throughout your program. Graduates, you are the future of the professional nursing science, and the future of our college. Regardless of our current challenges, we are proud and happy to recognize you as professional nurses and graduates of this institution. Your dedicated pursuit and successful attainment of your degree will allow you to make a difference in the health and well-being of communities and beyond as future clinicians, practitioners, educators, researchers, and leaders. Indeed, the future of the profession is in your hands. As our graduates now know, a college is not just a building or a series of classrooms or scholarly papers. The college is its students and faculty. We honor our graduates today, and it is also fitting to express appreciation to the special group of individuals who have contributed so much to our graduates, the faculty of the University of Florida College of Nursing. I want you to know that I appreciate and thank each of you. I also extend appreciation to the very skilled and hardworking staff in our college. They are the engine that keeps our outstanding college running. As you know, earning a degree from the University of Florida College of Nursing is not an easy process. It is, we hope, a rewarding and challenging and growth-promoting process, but it is not an easy one. But being a nurse is not easy either. Being present at life's most significant moments is a privilege that few share. The growing complexities of our healthcare system require a better educated and highly capable nursing workforce. The degree that you have worked so hard to earn has prepared you well to meet these challenges. Professional nursing will continue to change in the next decade as we apply and adapt to all that we have learned through the COVID-19 pandemic. You will join your colleagues in leading that change. You will be part of improving not only the image, but the reality of professional nursing. And I know that you will ensure that patients, families, and communities remain the central focus of your efforts. Throughout your professional careers, remember to maintain your enthusiasm and excitement for the nursing profession. Practice with a commitment to maintain and elevate the standards of the profession. Keep abreast of advancements in nursing and healthcare. And continue to advance your education because learning is a lifelong endeavor. And now, it is my honor to introduce Ashley Velasquez, who will provide a special student address on behalf of the spring class of 2021. Ashley has served as a role model within the senior class and within the Academic Health Center. When the COVID-19 vaccinations began rolling out in Gainesville, Ashley was one of the first to volunteer at the clinics in December, even administering the vaccine to the UF Health Vice President for Nursing and Patient Services, Dr. Irene Alexidis.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the University of Florida's College of Nursing 2021 Virtual Award Ceremony. My name is Ashley Velasquez, and I have been given the honor of being this year's UFCon student speaker. I want to begin by thanking the faculty and administration for providing us with the means of celebrating the students with this year's virtual ceremony. This year has been no easier for them as it has been for us, the students. Thank you for working endlessly and tirelessly to ensure that every student has been celebrated and is on the path to success. I also want to thank the family, friends, and mentors who have been there since the beginning of our journey. Finishing nursing school in the middle of a pandemic has been a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and it could not have been done without their unwavering support. And to my fellow classmates, congratulations! We have finally made it to the end of this chapter, but this is just the beginning of a new part in our lives. I'm sure we all remember where we were, as well as what we were doing when we received our email confirmation to our acceptance into UF's nursing program. I remember I was in Ecuador stuck in hotels scrambling for every free Wi-Fi spot I could just to check my email. Soon enough, we were in G101, where we all met for the first time, and little did we know we were forming friendships that were going to last a lifetime. It was the same place where we each took a selfie to send to our friends and families saying that we would be MIA for the next 2 years. And wow, did I not believe it then. My first red flag should have been the 3 trips it took from the bookstore to my car with all my textbooks and supplies on the last day of orientation. Back then, we were hopeful undergrads, and now we're eager to begin our journeys as soon-to-be OR, L&D, ICU, ER, etc. nurses. They say nursing school is hard, but not impossible, but close to impossible in a pandemic. And if it were easy, then everyone would do it. But we are not everyone. We are Gator nurses, prepared by the top public university nursing program in the state, a name that just about every hospital knows, and when they hear where we are from, there will be no doubt that they will know just how capable we are. Only we know the true sacrifices we have made to be here, like all the times we've cried, the sleepless nights, missed birthdays, vacations, weddings, births, friends' night out, and the times with our families also we could one day take care of strangers' loved ones. We all share this one historic experience that seemed impossible to overcome, but against all odds, we did it. All 765 clinical hours, nearly 40 exams, and countless research and quality improvement projects. And the days where we felt like it would never end. We did it. Your family, friends, and mentors are so proud of you. You should be proud of you, because only you know the effort you put in to make it here today. You remember receiving your letter of acceptance from Con and the pride you felt that day. But today is a new but familiar sense of pride, because for the last 2 years you have been able to say, I am a student at UF's College of Nursing, but now you will be able to say, I am a University of Florida College of Nursing graduate. Amongst us are soon to be some of the best BSN registered Gator nurses we will ever come to know. It has been a pleasure to care, lead, and inspire by your side. Take today to celebrate you and only you, because from here on out, we go on to serve others in only the best way we know how. Go Gator nurses!
As part of this virtual award celebration, we are delighted to share with you the University of Florida College of Nursing's second annual presentation of the Daisy Award for Extraordinary Nursing Faculty. Today, we are proud to recognize 2 extraordinary nurses, Dr. Shavandra Huggins and Sandra City, who were nominated by our undergraduate students for making a real difference in their clinical education. The Daisy Award is an international recognition program that honors and celebrates the skillful, compassionate care nurses provide every day. The Daisy Foundation was established by the family of J. Patrick Barnes after he died from complications of the autoimmune disease ITP in 1999. During his hospitalization, the family deeply appreciated the care and compassion shown to Patrick and his entire family. When he died, they felt compelled to say thank you to the nurses in a very public way. Faculty members Shavandra Huggins and Sandra City joined over 4,300 healthcare facilities and schools of nursing in all 50 states and 27 other countries committed to honoring nurses with the Daisy Award. Like recipients before them, and last year our recipients were Dr. Karen All and Professor David Derrico, Shavandra Huggins and Sandra City would most likely say, "But I didn't do anything special. I was just doing my job." However, the Daisy Foundation was founded on wanting to help nurses see in themselves what their patients, families, and colleagues see in them, and to help them learn the behaviors that make such a powerful difference. During the Daisy Award selection process, the award committee certainly had a challenging task to choose just 2 of the 24 faculty members nominated by our undergraduate students. We want to say a thank you to our committee members, Karen All, David Derrico, Bobby Bishop from the VA system, Jean Bulmer from UF Shands, Department Chairs Ann Horgus and Gail Keenan for their time and investment in this year's selection committee. I am excited to share with you just a sampling of the student nominations for each of these faculty members who have made a powerful difference in healthcare and in future Gator nurse education. Dr. Huggins has become one of my favorite professors since entering the ABSN program this past year. Her energy, confidence, and drive immediately made me think to myself, this is the kind of nurse that I want to be someday. When it comes to the most complex textbook material, she breaks down the content in a way that is easily digested and absorbed. I would like to recognize her for the Daisy Award for her passion and empathy in how she teaches her students to interact with patients from an unbiased point of view. When a patient is late to an appointment, not taking their medications, or does not appear to interact with the provider, Dr. Huggins reminds us that we have to dig deeper into the situation and get to know the individual to assess the kind of barriers they may have, instead of immediately labeling them as someone who doesn't care about their health. Dr. Huggins makes an incredible impact on us student nurses in a way that makes us think about how to be the best nurse to our patients someday. She always reminded us that at the end of the day, we all have the same color blood. She was an incredible guest speaker to the Nurses Leading Change meeting that celebrated Black nursing excellence. About Dr. Sandra City, a student had this to say. Dr. Stiddy is constantly striving to not only challenge us as students, but also challenge the VA units and hospital as a system to do better for our patients. She's currently working on implementing a research project to sanitize work equipment and has done incredible projects in the past regarding patient nutrition. Dr. City is always striving to make sure that each patient is treated holistically and getting all of their needs met. Clearly, both of these members of our faculty are shining examples of what it means to care, lead, and inspire. We are proud to celebrate the extraordinary accomplishments and recognition of Dr. Shavandra Huggins and Sandra City as UF College of Nursing recipients of the Daisy Award for Extraordinary Nursing Faculty.
It is my distinct pleasure to recognize the outstanding accomplishments of our baccalaureate degree graduates. Commencement is a culmination of years of hard work, perseverance, and academic achievement for each and every graduating student. As you go forward into the world of nursing, never forget to use the skills you learned here at the College of Nursing for the good of society, and always act with integrity. At this time, we would like to recognize our graduates who have shown a commitment to the betterment not only to the College of Nursing, but the University of Florida. We applaud your work and dedication, especially during these challenging times. Congratulations to graduating students who have been inducted into the Alpha Theta chapter of Sigma Theta Tau, the International Honor Society of Nursing, and students who have been named to the College of Nursing Dean's List. We are proud to recognize and thank all students who served as members and representatives in the UF Nursing Student Association, the UF Nursing College Council, the Gator Nurse Student Ambassador Program, as well as College of Nursing Alumni Council Book Awardees, students in the Embrace Program, and students in the Honors Program. We would also like to take a moment to congratulate all of the students who are graduating with honors this spring, including cum laude, magna cum laude, and summa cum laude. Congratulations again, and best of luck in all that you do in the coming years as new Gator nurses.
I am happy and privileged to offer a hearty congratulations to our BSN class of 2021. You have risen to meet the challenges of a rigorous curriculum, an unprecedented year of challenges. You have worked hard and excelled in the classroom and in the clinical settings. Congratulations. The College of Nursing is now pleased to bestow awards to those undergraduate students who exemplify the tripart college motto, care, lead, inspire, for which the awards are named. These students are selected by the faculty as those who best embody each of these attributes. Nurses are the heart of American health care system. For more than 60 years, the University of Florida College of Nursing has prepared nurses to provide the highest quality of care, the same care they would give to their own family members. The UF College of Nursing awards Excellence in Nursing Care recipient Casey Shunk. Those who lead nursing today will determine its future. The UF College of Nursing has always produced outstanding leaders, our nurses who lead in the transformation of healthcare. The UF College of Nursing Award Excellence in Nursing Leadership recipient, Sarah White. Inspiration is defined as the ability to encourage others to greater efforts or enthusiasm. Gator nurses inspire others, patients, family members, colleagues, and future nurses through their commitment to excellence. The UF College of Nursing awards excellence in inspiring others through nursing. Recipients are Ava Mothersill and Kim Nugent. The Award for Excellence in Community Service recognizes a graduating student who has demonstrated outstanding commitment to service in the community. The UF College of Nursing Award for Excellence in Community Service is presented to Lauren Cannell. Yes, Gator nurses pride themselves on fostering full engagement with diverse students, diverse community members. That creates a climate of inclusion and promotes diversity to enhance educational research and other positive learning outcomes. The UF College of Nursing Award for Diversity and Inclusion, the recipient is Kayla Elliott. The Excellence in Research Award recognizes a graduating student who has demonstrated outstanding potential as a nurse scientist and excellence in research activities. The UF College of Nursing Award, Excellence in Research, is presented to Leanne Hewitt. Congratulations to all. At this time, it is my pleasure to introduce the BSN class of 2021 valedictorian, Blair Bartik, to lead our graduates in the pledge for professional nursing.
Fellow graduates, please stand as you are able and say with me the Pledge for Professional Nursing. an updated version of the original Florence Nightingale Pledge. I also invite all those watching who are professional nurses, including faculty members, alumni council members, and any guests who are nurses, to join in this pledge. In full knowledge of the obligations I am undertaking, I promise to care for the sick with all the skill and the understanding I possess, without regard to race, creed, color, politics, or social status, sparing no effort to preserve quality of life, alleviate suffering, and to promote health, as affirmed by the person. I will respect at all times the dignity and beliefs of the patients under my care, holding in confidence all personal information entrusted to me, and refraining from any action which may endanger life or health. I will endeavor to keep my professional knowledge and skill at the highest level and to give support and cooperation to all members of the healthcare team. I will do my utmost to honor the American Nurses Association Code of Ethics and to uphold the integrity of the profession. Thank you.
Graduates, once again, congratulations on your commitment to professional nursing. You are part of the rich tradition of Gator nursing that began in 1956. Never forget how proud we are to call you one of ours. Congratulations, too, to the family members and friends who have supported you. We are so inspired by all of our graduates today and the many who have preceded you and forged a path of excellence. You follow a great legacy of Gator nurses who care, lead, and inspire. Thank you for watching this virtual awards ceremony. And remember, go Gator Nursing. Thank you.